Early Bird Coffee is a micro roastery and cafe. We roast coffee for the cafe on site and do some light wholesale in and around the region as well. There's a lot about coffee people don't get. That's the interesting part about the shop here, is that you can come in and get a pretty good understanding right away. The first experience you can have here is called the Roasting Lab. Secondly, you can get like a tasting trio platter. It's kind of like a flight, and you can sample each brew and learn a little more about it and where it comes from. Some things people don't get is that coffee doesn't come brown. It's actually a green seed that needs to be roasted, and you don't want to burn it, you don't want to under roast it, you don't want to over roast it. Every time I'm behind that roaster, I'm dialed in on it, and my ambition is to make it even better than the roast before. In Oxford County, the draw for artisan products is very strong. There's some great cheese being manufactured here, and chocolate and beer. Coffee just goes in line with those other products, and we were just filling a void that was there. Things taste better when they're made locally. Yes, I agree. You may have taken coffee for granted or may have not thought about it, but when you walk in here and you see the roaster and you taste the coffee, maybe it makes you think twice and realize, hey, like, my coffee can be better.